Hi there. To go ahead and remove a connection from LinkedIn, start off from your home page and go across to Contacts, My Connections. Once you get to the My Connections file, if you look right across on the right hand side, you have a Remove Connections button. If you give that a click, it's going to go ahead and give you a list of all of your current connections. You simply go through and tick, for example, and then once you've built up the list that you want, you go ahead and click on Remove Connections. Just note here that they won't be notified you've been removed. They, if you like, get archived, so you can re-invite them if you want to later. And it's that simple. Hope it helped.